Good morning, my greetings to Professor Gabriel and my fellow college of Level 3. Today I would like to teach you guys how to prepare a cough syrup. So first of all we need a glass jar, a lemon which we will cut in half, 2 small carrots and lastly a bit of honey. Secondly, peel and cut the carrot and put in the glass jar. Then you will have the squeeze at half lemon in the jar too. Lastly, you will put 2 tablespoons of honey in the jar. Let the mix stand for about 8 hours, but it is also recommended to stir the mix every 2 hours. You will have to remember to keep the mix refrigerated. To finish, we filter and put again the mixture in the glass jar, empty and clean. For a good function of this cough syrup, it is necessary to take several tablespoons of the syrup a day. The mix will stay good for about 3 to 4 days before it hardens. So it is for immediate consumption. Thank you for your time, people. See you soon.